In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip items on Facebook Marketplace. Flipping simply means buying low, doing a quick clean or better relist, and selling higher for profit. You don't need a store or a big budget, just a good eye, quick action, and clear listings. Begin by focusing on items that sell fast and are easy to move. Phones and gadgets, small electronics, baby gear, bikes, branded shoes and clothing, and sturdy furniture like chairs, tables, and cabinets are great starters. Light appliances like fans or microwaves can work too. Avoid broken electronics, prohibited items, and seasonal products unless demand is high right now. Next, hunt for underpriced listings. On Marketplace, search terms like rush, need gone, moving out, decluttering, last price, and ASAP. Filter for nearby locations, sort price from low to high, and look at newly listed items. Check in the morning and at night to catch fresh posts quickly. Before buying anything, analyze the market. Search the exact item, review recent selling prices, compare conditions, and gauge demand in your area. Aim to buy at least 30 to 50% below the average market price, so you've got room for expenses and profit. When you negotiate, be polite and decisive. A simple message like, "Hi, available Papo, last price if pickup today," shows respect and speed. Offer quick pickup and bring exact cash, and being ready to move often secures the deal. Always inspect before paying. Test that it works. Look for damage or missing parts, and verify authenticity for branded goods. Walk away if the seller is overly pushy or the item doesn't match the photos or description. Add value where possible. Clean thoroughly, do minor repairs, present it neatly, or bundle related items. Small improvements can noticeably raise the resale price. Create a high converting listing. Take clear photos with good lighting, a clean background, and multiple angles. Use a straightforward title like new Samsung phone, no issues, ready to use. In the description, state the condition, any flaws honestly, your reason for selling, and note that the price is slightly negotiable. Price for profit using a simple formula. Buy price plus expenses multiplied by 1.5 to 2. For example, if you buy at P1000, list around P1800 to P2000, leaving space for negotiation. Respond fast to buyers. Reply within minutes. Be clear and polite, and lock in meetup details quickly. Speed leads to more visibility and faster sales. Close deals safely. Meet in public spaces like malls or a police station for gadgets. Accept cash or confirm transfers, and avoid shipping at first. Once you're profitable, reinvest. Move into higher value items, post consistently, build seller ratings, and scale steadily and safely.